I want to show you this while I'm down here. This is the bank along the edge of the highway. It all grows up with brome grass, and I mowed it down a couple days ago. And it goes on down to that corner and then it shoots across that way. But I mow it and bale it. So here in a little bit I'm going to go get my tractor and rake, and my walk behind tractor and rake. I'm going to windrow this. And tomorrow I'm going to be down here and I'm going to get this all baled. That's one of my projects for tomorrow. I have alfalfa cut up behind my house. I'm going to rake and bale that. And somebody wanted me to do a video on the baling and stuff, so I'm going to try and get some good footage of that. I'll try and get footage of me raking the alfalfa, and then I'll do some good footage of actually baling with my walk behind tractor and baler. Hello everybody. I'm down here across the road where my animals were at, my pigs and stuff. I showed that embankment where that brome grass was at. I got it raked, and I got this one bank baled. Sorry about the sun shining in your eyes there, but I ended up breaking this whole thing. As you can see, there's a little bit of loose grass I missed here and there, but for the most part I got it. And if you look, you can see the bales down there, and one's right here. I got 5 bales off this bank, and now I'm down at that end and I'm using a pitchfork. I got it in windrows, but it's almost as easy as pull the baler up by the windrow and then take a pitchfork and scoop a bunch of it up, and then move it ahead a little bit and scoop a bunch of it up and feed it into the baler. So that's what I've been doing. As you can tell, I'm hot, wet from sweat. My shirt's totally drenched. This is the 3rd shirt today I put on. I baled the alfalfa up behind my house, which later in this video you're going to see clips of that. But this is the 3rd shirt. 5 minutes out here it's soaking wet, so it really didn't do much good other than I went in the house for a little bit to cool off. So I'd stripped down my wet shirt, put a dry one on, and sit and relax a little bit. It's 7:30 p.m. I probably got another 45 minutes, half hour, 45 minutes probably to do that last bank over there. So I suppose I better drink a little bit more water and get down there and get it finished. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And thanks for all you new subscribers and all the old subscribers. I appreciate it. You coming over, watching my videos. Well, I'll let you go. Enjoy the rest of the video. And don't forget I love you. See y'all in the next one. Bye. Hello everybody. I still got that much there to do. A row up there, and then this pile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pitchfork. I'm going to pitch this big pile into the hay baler and see if this is enough to make a bale. This is a pretty good sized pile of grass. It's a thick, heavy pile. I'm guessing it's not enough to make a bale. That way I'm just trying to give you guys a perspective of how much hay actually goes in one of these bales. So I'm going to start up my baler. I don't have my tripod down here, so I'm not going to be able to set it up and have you watch me as I pitch this in, but I'm going to start it up. I'm going to pitch this in, and then I'll get it all pitched in there and see if I got enough for a bale or not. See if it made a bale. See in just a bit. Okay, as you can see, I got that pile scooped up, and it didn't make a bale yet. So I'm gonna have to take some of that hay over there. I'm gonna scoop up another pile, what I think's gonna take to finish this bale. I'll show you the pile of hay that I'm gonna put in this thing, or how much more I should say I'm gonna put in this thing to finish this bale off. Okay. There's the pile. That's how long my pitchfork is, you know, going across that pile. It's a pretty good pile. I think it's going to take all this to finish this bale off, and plus you've seen the first pile I had. So I'm going to start this baler up, shovel it in, or pitchfork it in I should say, and see if it makes a bale. Well, there it is. There's the bale. And there's the chamber of my baler, if you're curious on what that looks like. It's just aluminum rollers that tumble that hay or grass around. Well, I got this pile here to do, and that row right up there. I should get maybe about one bale off of what's left here. Well, I got all this done. There's a bale there and 4 more, so I got 5 bales on this end and 5 bales along the north side, that long embankment. So I end up with 10 bales at $5 a bale, 50 bucks. A lot of work for 50 bucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I baled a patch alfalfa behind my house. I got 20 bales off that this morning, so that's another $100. $150 for a hard day's work out in this heat. I'm just thankful that I got my health and that I can do this kind of stuff.